Morning, students. Today we learn practical number 13 in your journal ORS, Oral Rehydration Solutions for mild to moderate loss of fluids and electrolytes. Competency pH 2.2. Prepare oral rehydration solution from ORS packet and explain its uses. SLO. SLO1. At the end of this practical session, the phase 2 second MBBS students should be able to prepare oral rehydration solutions from ORS packet, and 2. At the end of this practical session, phase second MBBS students should be able to explain the use of oral rehydration solutions. For that, preparation of ORS powder, rationale of use of ORS in diarrhea, advantages and disadvantages of ORS, household preparations to correct mild dehydration. Dehydration. What is dehydration? It is a state of negative fluid and electrolyte balance. It is a condition where there is a net loss of fluids and electrolytes. There is hypovolemia. Real. Loss of body fluids result from hemorrhage, excessive exudations from raw areas, example for burns, diarrhea, vomiting, excessive sweating, polyuria, fistula drainage, severe exercise or fasting. Perioperative restrictions on oral intake included etc. It is the dehydration. Then also respiratory losses increases by about 10% for every 1 degree centigrade in body temperature above 37 degrees centigrade. Composition of loss varies with the cause. For example, vomiting causes loss of hydrogen ions, severe dehydria causes loss of HCO3, and in excessive sweating predominantly at NaCl is lost. Apparent loss of volume may result from internal distributions or sequestrations of fluid into non-functional areas. For example, pleural fluid, peritoneal fluid or ascites, lymphadenoma, angioneurotic edema, edema which occurs as a part of inflammatory response to injury or infection. Large losses can also occur in burns, penicillin allergy with angioedema and sepsis. Internal losses may account for up to 10 to 15% of body weight, means 7 to 10 liters. Manifestations and management depends on severity of disturbances in which dehydration is classified into mild, moderate and severe dehydrations according to the loss of body fluids. It is in mild dehydration, less than 5% of body fluid is lost. In moderate, 5 to 10% of fluid loss, and in severe, more than 10% of body fluid is lost. And the clinical features in moderate and severe, in mild it is not nothing specific, but in moderate and severe there is a thirst is increased, pulse is rapid and feeble. In severe dehydration, eyeball are sunken, urine output some reduced, and tongue is pale. So it is the clinical features of mild, moderate and severe dehydration. Management of fluid and electrolyte disturbances. Management of fluid and electrolyte disturbances required administrations of appropriate fluid and electrolyte by oral or parenteral route depending on severity. Mild to moderate loss of fluids and electrolytes can be treated with oral rehydration therapy (ORT), while severe dehydration or persistent loss requires treatment initially with parenteral fluids and later as the condition improves with ORT. Appropriate parenteral fluid should be used depending on the cause and type of disturbance. Discuss the practical of IV fluids later on. Common causes of fluid electrolyte disturbances. This includes diarrhea, vomiting. There can be various causes of diarrhea and vomiting, such as gastroenteritis, cholera, non-infective conditions with vomiting and diarrhea, heat stroke, restrictions on oral intake, diabetic coma, etc. Nature of disturbances varies depending on the cause, as can be seen from the following table. You can see the diarrhea in cholera, electrolytes are disturbed in cholera pediatric. It is also, you can see the sodium electrolytes are decreased, potassium all are decreased. Viral diarrhea, vomiting and sweat. So there is a loss of electrolytes in case of dehydration. Calculation of fluid requirements. This is a calculation how to give the intravenous fluids or the oral fluids to dehydrated patients. A 50 kg adult requires approximately 2 ml per kg per hour of fluids. Fluid requirements in children with body weight less than 10 kg body weight is higher than calculated with this formula. The total fluid requirement can also be calculated using the table given. In case of continued loss, for example diarrhea and vomiting, quantity replaced should be physiological requirement on weight basis plus fluid lost. Adequacy of fluid replacement is monitored based by an hourly urine output of 1 to 3 ml per kg per hour and careful attention to temperature, arterial pressure, pulse, skin, turgor and mucous membrane moisture. ORS. ORS is recommended by WHO and UNICEF. It is a simple, inexpensive and effective therapy for dehydration. Presence of potassium is particularly important for treating dehydrated children in whom potassium loss in diarrhea is relatively high. Bicarbonate was used earlier in ORS but is now replaced by trisodium citrate, which correct the metabolic acidosis and diminish stool output in high output diarrhea. Glucose is indicated in ORS mainly to help the absorption of sodium and not as a source of energy. This is the composition of new or the revised ORS as per WHO is as follows. The substance of ORS with weight. Sodium chloride 2.6 gram. Component is sodium ion. Potassium chloride 1.5, components is potassium, trisodium citrate 2.9, HCO3, glucose 13.5, glucose 75 and water 1 liter. Total osmolarity is 245. To be dissolved in 1 liter of safe pre-boiled and then cooled drinking water. Patients should be asked to drink in small sips. Advantages of ORS. It is easy, simple, less expensive and effective therapy. The reduction in the cost of treating diarrhea cases is due to a large decrease in requirement for IV fluids and in the number of hospital admissions. Potassium replacement is safer oral than IV. No risk of fluid overload, pulmonary congestion and edema. Effective for all age groups including children and also adults with cholera. No expertise is needed, can be administered at home. Disadvantages. In patients with severe fluid loss, oral rehydration therapy alone will not work. IV fluids should be given simultaneously. It is difficult to administer in presence of vomiting. Administration of ORS. Patient is encouraged to drink ORS at half to 1 hourly intervals. Initially, 5 to 7.5% body weight volume equivalent is given in 2 to 4 hours, 5 ml per kg per hour in children. Then it should be left to demand, but should at least cover the rate of loss in stool. In a weak child who refuses to drink ORS at required rate, it can be given by intragastric drip. Restoring hydration within 6 hours should be aimed. Homemade ORS. It can be prepared at home by using one fistful of sugar and one pinch, 3 fingers up to first crease of salt in 500 ml, 2 tumblerful of water. Rice water can be used as a substitute of ORS. Household preparations to correct mild dehydration. Rice water, fruit juices, coconut water, tea and coffee, buttermilk, lemon juice plus sugar plus salt and soaps. These all are household preparation. Super ORS. What is a super ORS? Super ORS contains amino acids like alanine and glycine which help in absorption of sodium. The utility of super ORS is doubtful. So this is all about the treatment of the mild, moderate and severe dehydrations. So all of you are known about the ORS. So we start the assignment part or the exercise in your journal. There is a various exercise in your journal. So you write answer in journal. Then first we discuss the questions. Number one, prescription writing exercise. Question is, an adult male patient, weight is 60 kg, is suffering from diarrhea with moderate dehydration. Okay, write a prescription using compounded preparation for correction of fluid and electrolyte disturbances and demonstrate how to prepare ORS. So, adult patient having the diarrhea and moderate dehydration. So, we give the treatment of the moderate dehydration. So, answer is uh, we give the ORS, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate and glucose. Sodium chloride is 2.6, potassium chloride 1.5, trisodium citrate is 2.9 and glucose is 13.5. This ORS is dissolved in 1 liter of water. Dispense such 7 pack. Take 4 to 5 liters in first 4 hours. Explanations of this answer is patient is having weight is 60 kg. Patient has moderate dehydration. So fluid loss is 5 to 10 percentage. Approximate 7 percentage of 60 kg means 4.2 liters loss of fluid. Okay, then daily requirement fluid is 2 ml per kg per hour. So 2 into 60 into 24, so 3 liters. So our answer is total amount of fluid requirement is 4.2 plus 3 means 7.2 liters, means fluid loss is 4.2 liter and daily requirement of fluid is 3 liter. So answer is 7.2 liter. Next exercise is answer the following. Number 1. Calculate in millimoles contents of ORS powder. 1 mole in 1 liter. That means 1 molar solution. 1 mole is the weight in grams of 6 into 1023 atoms. Means 6 into 1023 atoms or molecules of a substance. NaCl 2.6 gram. Molecular weight is 58.5 gram. 23 gram sodium plus 35.5 gram chloride. 58.5 milligram in 1 liter water. So 1 millimole solution. 2600 milligram is equal to 2600 by 58.5. So 44.4 millimole per liter. Potassium chloride 1.5 gram. Molecular weight is 74.5. That means 39 gram potassium plus 35.5 gram chloride. So 74.5 milligram in 1 liter means 1 millimole solution. So 1500 milligram means 1500 by 74 milligram in liter. So answer is 20.13 millimole per liter. Then trisodium citrate 2.9 gram. Molecular weight is 294 milligram in 1 liter. So 1 millimole solution. So 2900 milligram means 2900 divided by 294. So answer is 10 millimole per liter. Individual molar contents. Sodium 44.4 plus 10 into 3 means 75 millimole. Chloride 65 millimole. Potassium 20.13 millimole. Glucose 75 millimole. Citrate 10 millimole. Total 245 millimole per liter. Next exercise. Name some other fluids that can be administered to a child to correct dehydration at home. Rice water, dal water, lemon water with added salt and sugar. These are all given in child at home. And home remedies for ORS is 1 fistful of sugar, 1 pinch of salt in 500 ml of water. Exercise 3. Describe the differences in water and electrolyte disturbances in dehydration resulting from various types of diarrhea and in vomiting. There's a different types of diarrhea and loss of electrolytes. Like diarrhea in cholera, electrolytes is sodium 140, potassium 13, chloride 104, HCO 344. And in diarrhea, cholera in pediatric patients 88, sodium, potassium 30, chloride 86, HCO 332. Diarrhea due to viral and in vomiting stomach contents is 37, 38, 22 and 6 and 60, 10 and 85 in vomiting due to the stomach problem. What instructions will you give to mother about preparing homemade ORS for a child 2 years and weight is 12 kg having loose motion? Homemade ORS. Uh, Take 1 fistful of sugar, 1 pinchful of salt, 3 fingers up to first crease. Dissolve it into 500 ml of water, 2 tumblerful. Rice water can be used as an alternative to ORS. It is a home remedies for the pediatric uh, child for having a loose motion. Exercise 5th. Mention the importance of individual ingredients of ORS. Why the composition is like this. Sodium ion plus potassium ion plus chloride ion are administered to replenish lost electrolytes. Citrate is useful for correct acidosis and maintain concentrations of serum sodium, potassium and other electrolytes. Glucose facilitates absorption of sodium ion in ileum by sodium. Glucose co-transporter. One sodium ion is transported along with each molecule of glucose absorbed. So it is how these electrolytes are helped in ORS and to correct the dehydration.